Hi, how's it going? This is Kaila from Anima. I'm a designer here on our customer success team, and I want to help you all get started by creating your account and showing you how to make high-fidelity prototypes using Anima for Adobe XD, Figma, and Sketch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I will show you how to create your account. So here we are on the Anima app homepage. To start the process, what we're going to do is click on this button that says Start Free right in the middle. When creating an account, you can either pair an existing Gmail to log in, or you can also create a new account from scratch. That is the option that we'll be doing today. To create a new account, first enter your name, your email address, and then create a password of your choosing. Once you've set this up, this will direct us to the onboarding page where you can personalize your account based on your needs as a designer, developer, or other role. You'll select your role, your current workflow, and your goal when using Anima. Click on Let's Go to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to create my team name, which we will call Anima for now. This is also going to be one of the first steps where you can start inviting other members to your team as well. You can enter in your teammates' email addresses, and you can also select their access levels. To give you the rundown, viewers can view and comment on your project for free. Contributors will have full access to your project and will also need to have a paid pro account, and the admin is the owner of the project with full access to the different roles on your team. For now, you can feel free to skip the step and add teammates later on by selecting I'll do it later. Now that you have your account created, you'll be introduced to our different subscription plans. Just to know, Anima is run on a subscription basis. Using this toggle at the top of the screen, be sure to select whether you'd like your subscription to renew on a monthly basis or a yearly basis. That will save you 20% off overall. That being said, the free plan will be a good one to get started on. On the free plan, you'll have access to one project at a time where you can create one high-fidelity prototype with sharing permissions and team collaboration. On the pro plan, you'll be able to do all of that as well as be able to export code. So you can export React and Vue components, export HTML code, and even create a custom domain for your website. The Pro plan also offers priority support to our users, so if you have any questions while using Anima, you can contact our support channels and chat with our success team. The last of these is the Team plan, which is essentially the same as the Pro plan, except with an additional larger monthly bandwidth for storage, such as media and form submissions. The Team plan also has a discounted rate, as it starts off with 3 people on the same team, and you can add more seats from there. So that's the overview of our pricing plans. But for now, let's get started on the free plan by selecting it here. And there we go. Here we are on the Anima web app. This is like your homepage where your teams and projects are stored. Your teams will be listed on the left-hand panel right over here, and the plus button at the top of the screen is where you can also add more of your teammates to join. Selecting settings will also lead you to some more options. In general, you can edit your team name and icons. In members, you can see listed the members of your team as well as their roles. Plan and billing is where you can check what subscription you're currently on and upgrade if you haven't yet. If you've paid for a pro account using Stripe, this is also where you will access your invoices. If you've paid via PayPal, you can access your invoices here through PayPal itself. So now we're back to our dashboard. After you've created your account, you'll want to get started by creating a new project. This is where the magic happens. To get started, you can create your first project right up here, or you can start by downloading the plugin, which is what we're going to do today. To do so, you can click on the Plugins button in the left-hand panel. As you can see, Anima is compatible with Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD, so you'll want to click on the Install Plugin button for whichever design platform you'll be working with, and that will direct you to the next steps to install Anima on your device. And that's how we get started setting up Anima. Be sure to check out our other videos where we explain additional topics like how to view your project in Anima, how to sync your design files, and how Anima is compatible with each of the design platforms, Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. From there, you can get ready to design in your own design tool, develop in the framework you love, and hit the ground running with your projects.